Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video I am going to show you how you can manually install drivers on any Windows PC. For this we will be looking at Snappy Driver Installer Origin. This helps you install missing drivers and update all drivers as well. So this software is provided by Glance Page. If your Windows automatic updates is not working, which I recommend that you use, you can manually install drivers like this. For this, you will need to go to this link given in the description and download the Snappy Driver Installer Origin version, whichever one is the latest available one, and download this software. This software is very useful for those people who want to manually install drivers and do not want to rely on Windows automatic drivers. And also, if you are a technician, this tool is a must have for you. Simply extract the software, and here you can x64-bit version, depends on their operating system. Say yes to the prompt and it will open up like this. You need to allow access to the internet so it can download for you. If you are a technician and want to install all the drivers that you have, you can use this, or you can download the minimum drivers, which is the second option, and the third option is to update your drivers using the internet connection. Well, these options depend on how you want to use this Snappy Driver Installer Origin. This is mainly used for those people who are technicians, so I recommend the first option, but just in case you are having problems with automatic drivers, you can go select the indexes only and this will update all the drivers on your Windows PC. Let's start by using that and hit the download and install right there. It is now downloading while we check some themes. It has a lots of themes and languages. Oh, the English language is good, but the themes are just very wild, I'll say, and not very good as well. Let's see how many themes do we have. Oh, this is the old one. Nice themes, but I think we're gonna stick to the original theme. Okay, now all of these are downloaded and here are all the downloads that I need. Well, I am not going to actually install them, but let's see what we need to do. I am only using the Windows automatic drivers because those are the best. You do not need to install it if you don't have any problems with your drivers. Also, you can keep these drivers in here after downloading, and you can swap your hard disk with, and you can keep eject the hard disk and connect to another laptop or computer and install these drivers there without using internet, of course. This is the best part of it. Well, I only use it if I am installing drivers on others laptop who do not have internet connection. When I'm using my own, I only recommend installing your pretty sweet, neat automatic updates from Windows Update and install those automatic drivers and nothing else. So this is how you can manually install drivers using this Snappy Driver Installer Origin by Glance Page, and I don't think I can show you something else. Well, you can also sort them with these filters. So anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. This is the folder where it stores all the drivers after downloading. Okay. Well, lots of things to explore. Bye bye. See you guys in the next one.